In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your competitors in Semrush. First, let's get oriented. We're going to use a single tool inside Semrush that quickly shows which sites you're competing with in organic search. Once you're in the platform, look at the left-hand menu and choose SEO, then click Domain Overview. This is your home base for understanding how a website performs and, importantly, who it's up against in search results. On the Domain Overview page, you'll see a search bar. Type in your domain, just the root version without extra paths, and then click Search. Using the root domain gives you the broadest picture of your organic landscape. If you manage a specific subdomain, you can enter that too, but keep in mind it will narrow the results to that section only. After the page loads, scroll down until you find the main organic competitors section. This is where Semrush brings the competitive picture into focus. You'll see a list of competing websites, along with the competition level and the number of common keywords you share. Think of competition level as an at-a-glance score that weighs how much your keyword profiles overlap and how visible each site is in search. The higher the overlap and the closer the visibility, the more direct the competition. Common keywords are the specific search terms that both you and the competing site rank for. The more you have in common, the likelier you're serving a similar audience or content intent. This section helps you spot both obvious rivals and surprising players who target the same topics. If you notice a site you don't recognize with a high overlap, that's a clue to explore their content strategy and gaps you can fill. To go deeper, click View Details in that same section. This opens the full competitor list, along with richer data you can sort and scan. You'll typically see additional columns that help you understand who's strongest in your space, where you share the most ground, and which sites might be worth analyzing next. Use this as a working shortlist for content research, keyword targeting, and prioritizing who to benchmark against in future audits. That's it. By using Domain Overview, entering your domain, reviewing the main organic competitors section, and expanding with View Details, you now have a clear, data-driven picture of your search competitors. Keep this page handy as you plan content, update pages, and track shifts in your market. Thanks for watching.